Hello everyone and welcome to Urban Farm NG. So today we'll be talking about the easiest fruit, vegetable and herbs you can grow in a pot. And if this is your first time on this channel, we would like you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you can get notified anytime we drop a new video. So the first on our list is tomatoes. Whether you are planting seeds or young seedling, tomato can be grown in pots outdoor once nighttime temperature reach the mid-50s. Cherry and grape tomatoes and smaller varieties like patio hybrid, small fry and tiny tim are well suited for container growing. One small variety plant can be grown in a 5-gallon container. When growing larger tomato varieties, be sure to use either stake or tomato cage. Plant full-size varieties in 25-gallon containers such as a half barrel. Add fertilizer to the soil when planting and water the plant right away. Afterward, only water the plant that shows wilt. Tomato love the heat. After planting in large half barrel container, mulch after 4 to 6 weeks. Delay mulching gives the soil time to warm up. The number 2 on our list is pepper. This bell pepper and hot chili pepper not only add visual appeal to your cutlery dishes, but they add vibrant color to your patio garden. Pepper are easy to grow in pots. They grow upright and produce good yield while taking up minimal space on your balcony. Select compact varieties of bell pepper for container growing or incorporate tomato cage into a deep 14 inches pot to support taller plant varieties. Hot pepper typically grow more compact in size and are highly suitable for container gardening. The number 3 on our list is basil. Basil can be grown from seed or young seedling outdoor once all chance of frost has passed. Add extra compost to the pot as basil thrive in rich organic matters. Place your potted basil plant in full sun and water weekly in dry weather. Pinch off the bosom or tip of each stem before it flower to extend the length of the harvest. And the number 4 on our list is strawberry. This beautiful delicious berry can be successfully grown in attractive terrain pots, quota pot barrel, tired planter and hanging basket on your deck or patio. A 3 to 4 inches pot will hold one strawberry plant. A hanging basket can hold 3 to 5 plants. 2 ways to avoid heat damage or roots: add a layer of mulch on top of the soil and avoid planting strawberries in dark containers. Strawberries have small root balls that extend in every direction, so be sure to completely bury the roots. Adequate drainage is important too, as strawberries do not thrive in soggy soils. The number 5 on our list is lettuce. Lotus leaf and romaines are the best lettuce varieties to plant in containers since they need less growing space than edge to stock lettuce. The ideal soil mix to use when growing lettuce in pots contain peas or compost soil and pellets to keep it from drying out. Sow seed shallow, no more than 1/2 inch deep. Keep the soil moist but not wet. So these are the top 5 vegetables and herbs you can grow in pots in your garden. So thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, we urge you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you can get notified anytime we drop a new video. Thank you.